Hello and welcome back to another episode of Teaching Partner. In the AI era, tools like ChatGPT draft essays quickly, but the real challenge is making that content sound human. Rephrasy solves this by converting text from ChatGPT, Gemini, or DeepSeek into natural, human-like writing that bypasses major detector like Turnitin and gptzero. It also features a built-in free AI detector for pre-publishing checks. For students, it's a powerful safeguard. Use AI for brainstorming, then rewrite to preserve your authentic voice and academic integrity, supporting 50 plus languages and flexible plans. It delivers polished writing for essays, blogs, or reports. Imagine this, your ChatGPT text is flagged 100% AI on 0GPT. Run it through Rephrasy Humanizer and in under 5 minutes the new version scores under 20% AI probability. It turns risky submissions into natural passable content quickly. So let's explore. So you can see here on my screen, this is called Rephrasy, the AI humanizer, especially for students and professionals. I'm using my Google account to sign in. So let's try AI humanizer. I'm going to create some text from ChatGPT and let's detect. So I wrote create an essay on the global markets and trade. So I'm sending prompt. So you can see here the ChatGPT has generated one essay. I'm going to copy this. Let me paste here. I'm going to click detect text. Oh my god, you can see here it's clearly written that your text is 99% AI GPT. So you can see here that 0GPT detected the text and highlighted as AI generated text. So let's try the magic of Rephrasy. So I pasted the same text and I'm going to click humanize. So you can see here this is my result. So let's check this text now. I'm going to copy this. Now let's try again with 0GPT. I'm going to paste here the new text. Let's detect. So you can see here it's dropped to only 10.4. So this is really amazing. It's immediately dropped from 100% to only 10%. So it's not only for ChatGPT. You can try with DeepSeek, Grok, Gemini. And the best part, you can rehumanize it to reduce the result to 0%. This is very amazing for students and professionals. It has its own AI detector. You can see it's showing 13%. So let's check the pricing. It's very much affordable and you can see the unlimited AI humanizer usage. It's only just $12.99. It's worth to subscribe. I tried multiple times with multiple AI text generators and found amazing. So you can see here on the screen there is AI humanizer Chrome extension available on the Chrome store. You need to just click here and you can add to your Chrome browser. So please try and share your experience in the comment section. So that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope this video is very useful for you. So thank you very much. If you have any question, query, or you need any support for making a decision, don't hesitate to write an email to theteachingpartner@gmail.com. Thank you very much and see you in the next video. Goodbye.